What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're working on the Subaru again. We've got a pretty cool piece of equipment over here. We got an AEM intake. Way down in there. But we're gonna be installing this bad boy on the Subaru today. Don't mind all the bug guts everywhere because I did just go camping and the car absolutely killed it up on the mountain on the dirt roads and stuff. As you can tell, just like bug guts everywhere. Probably need to wash this guy today, but let's get started on today's video. All right, Danny, how many horses do you think we're gonna get from this bad boy?
I mean, you can get 50, you can get 10.
50?
I say 50, it's AEM.
What is it, NOS?
Well, you gotta put a sticker on there too, make it more horsepower.
Oh yeah, the sticker is what's gonna give me all that power. But let's see what we're working with here with the factory airbox. Oh, I love hood struts. All right, so we got, I do like this, like helps divert air, which is kind of cool. I don't know if we're gonna keep that. But we got the stock airbox here, pretty limiting, and I think we have the stock, can't really tell, but I think we got a stock filter in here somewhere. So that is probably gonna be the big difference as well, and I don't know if we're gonna be keeping some of this inlet hose. I think this one stays, but this one goes. I don't know.
Oh, you even got a license plate frame?
Yeah, bro, they gave me all the goodies. License plate frame, stickers, bummer. So it did come in wrinkle red, so it's gonna match the intake manifold, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna start removing the stock airbox and then all this stuff, and then see how it looks in the engine bay. What do we got over here?
We got some hoses, we got some, I don't know.
Is this OEM like weather stripping?
Yeah, something like that.
Nice. We got a bunch of packing material. All right. Oh, there it is. Red hose, that's all we need. There's the power right there, just because it's red.
How about the filter size though? God.
Holy crap!
Wow.
It's like a jumbo burrito. Dude, what the heck? This is huge. Alright, well. More the better, I guess. I don't know.
We got a plate here too.
Metal heat shield. That's nice.
Oh, you know, I found the horsepower. Right here. Here's some stickers right there.
Where are we gonna slap these?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Well, I'm digging this wrinkle red. It definitely matches the intake manifold. It's a little bit faded, but hopefully this fades as well. We got for the map sensor. No, but like seriously, this thing's huge. To put this into perspective, here's like one of those standard mag lights. This thing's freaking huge. Like, this is crazy. Okay, so according to AEM/Canon, we're getting, if this focuses, one day, there we go, peak stock baseline 226 and peak with cold air intake 251, max gain of 36 horsepower. I would assume that's tuned, even though down here it says it's a stock car, because I don't think you can benefit that much on a stock tune. It's kind of gnarly. But definitely getting some more horsies out of this bad boy, so I am stoked. It's gonna be fast forwarded. Bro, that's fucking sick. I'm digging this camera angle. The heck is that?
Whoa.
Stock filter, so definitely getting rid of this guy. Denso gross filter. Ew. What is that? At the bottom of an airbox?
It looks like it's gonna catch some fluid of some sort.
If anyone knows what this is, let me know, because it's kind of weird. All right, so we have the factory airbox removed, as well as this weird like reservoir. Danny says it's for capturing water. Probably true. But we have a huge open void down here. So I think that's where the filter goes, kind of down in there, and then the hose goes over here, and then we got a little heat shield. So Danny's kind of got a little head start over here for us on installing or setting up the airbox, or the aftermarket one. And now it's time to put this guy in there. So let's get started with assembling this AEM intake. So we've got the air box all assembled, and we got to put a silicone coupler on this side. Maybe we go under there. There we go. I see what you're saying. Well, is it two sizes?
No, it doesn't look like it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Need a little motivation, but Danny was able to get the heat shield in there by kind of just forcing it a little bit, working it in. Now we're getting the heat shield bolt secured, and then we can re-secure this intake pipe because we had to kind of loosen it so that it was able to move around, give us a little more room when trying to fit the heat shield in here. And then we are connecting that coupler, and I think that's pretty much it other than reconnecting the mass airflow sensor, and then we're good to remap the car. All right, so we got the intake all put together and in the car. The heat shield is like really cool how it just forms nicely down inside of the valley. And then this was a pain in the ass trying to get this coupler on. The trick I found is to start with it on the intake and then kind of wiggle it and use a Phillips to like pull the rubbers or the silicone hose around it, and then you're able to tighten that down. Other than that, pretty easy install. It's like a 2 out of 10. Wasn't terrible. So that is it for the install of the intake. Alex is going to be coming over here and he's going to check it out, and let's see what kind of cool noises this thing decides to make. Since this car and the idea of this build is going to be 100% illegal here in California, we got a Carb EO sticker. We're going to slap this right on the heat shield just to make this 100% legit. Don't need that. And we're going to make it nice and tucked right. And we're legal. Is it broken?
What happened?
Did you fix it?
Bro, find out in the next video at @Alexander Vargas on Instagram. Thank you.
So really, did you fix it?
Honestly, I think it might be good, but the first test drive, there was a little bit of air in the overflow, but second test drive here, and I did a pull also, pulled up and it seemed fine. So I'm gonna keep driving it throughout the week and see what's good.
Weird. Well, we need to get this thing washed because it's absolutely dirty.
Do we have Stephen Kwan photography for that or no?
He's in there. He's in there. What do you think of the intake?
What was that?
I said, what do you think of the intake?
What do I think of it?
Yeah.
I think it looks cool. It's pretty rare seeing someone run a cold air.
Really?
Yeah, like you don't see everyone runs obviously Cobb SF or any sort of short ram. But I think it looks cool.
It's super weird. Like it spools super fast, like 8 psi, and then it just like dies off.
Well, I mean, it probably has to obviously adjust for more air coming in, right? I think it's gonna take a little bit.
Really?
I mean, when people just even put on like, if a double X owner put on like a STI intercooler, we unplug everything, or unplug the battery and then let it relearn.
They have an AEM map.
Shut up.
It's $20.
What?
For the AEM intake map for stage 1.
Are you serious?
Dead serious. All I have to do is like plug in the access port to my computer and then upload the file.
Yeah.
That's
I didn't know
it.
that. Are you serious?
That's it.
Who said that?
On Cobb's website.
Can we call them up?
They have a tune for just this intake.
All right, well, let's do it. What
I know.
do you mean? Let's do it. I mean, does it make like swooshy noises?
It makes the best noises.
Does it make like super noises? Is this embarrassing?
Oh, that's...
Do they know what we're doing?
Does it make Evo noises?
Honestly, it probably should. We're watching.
I shouldn't be wearing this shirt in my car. That's actually really bad.
This one's okay.
That's okay,
It's okay,
because
yeah,
that's like...
you can't wear that. That's why I'm driving.
Is that 6th
Fuck
gear
off.
that you're in?
I knew you were gonna say that.
It's weird how you had to like pull up to go into reverse, isn't it?
Nope. I don't know what you're talking about. Honestly, I've highly considered selling my fully built WRX and just buying a stock STI.
I'm literally exposing you
Honestly,
to the world
hey,
right
no
now.
one needs to know that. No one needs to know that. Wait, did you figure out the map thing or no?
Alright, so, okay, for you guys, can you even like see my face? Kinda. So I'm having an issue because I decided that I would try to run the stage 1 plus with the SF intake map with the AEM intake, but I started to have some issues with the car. Like it didn't want to start after I'd been driving it for a little bit. Every time I got like into boost, it would just kind of like fall on its face and it wouldn't like, it would build boost fine, but the car wouldn't move. So it was really weird. And then So I put it back to stage 1, which is what we're at right now, and I tried looking for the AEM intake map, which is on Cobb's website. I kept trying to download it, but it wouldn't load to the access port. So I got to kind of do some research on that. I think I'm gonna call Cobb on Monday because I don't really know.
That's pretty much all you can do. Like, it's not letting you actually load the map. So.
Yeah. See?
Weird.
Anyway, you want to make some fun noises real quick?
Oh, you can. Oh, no, you actually can't hear it.
You can hear it.
No, you actually can. Oh,
just
shit.
a little shh right at the end.
That's kind of like perfect.
it's like, exactly what you need.
It's what you're going for, I think. Oh shit. It's kind of sick.
so nice.
It's kind of sick, actually.
Yeah.
Now all you need is just like a little bit louder exhaust, and it'll be like perfect.
No, the SPT exhaust.
And then
Really
catless
OEM
downpipe.
plus.
And then catless downpipe.
Oh no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
100% legal.
Oh, you're whack. Illegal for life, bro. That's actually kind of perfect. That does sound
it
really
sounds
good.
great.
Yeah. You can hear it.
It sounds
you
so
can, no, you
sick.
can totally hear it.
I think I need a diverter valve just to make it like slightly louder.
Stop with your.
I'm trying to film here, bro.
What?
That was fucked up.
That was
fucked
really
up.
disrespectful.
That was fucked up.
How much did one of those cost?
I'm in the Supra.
Hey, smoke them. We're gonna get fucked up.
That'd be funny if we both went slow after that.
I know. So I think that's going to conclude today's video. I'm super stoked with the intake. I just really got to kind of figure out the tuning issue there.
Sorry. You always
feels
do that
good.
to me.
No, it feels good.
does
It feels good.
Yeah, it does feel good.
All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.